Very good morning, sir. My name is Bhumit. I am from Financial Market, and my topic is Copenhagen Stock Exchange. The old Copenhagen Stock Exchange dates back to 1625. It is one of the oldest building in Copenhagen. King Christian IV had realized the importance of increased trade and commerce, and so he had this grand building erected. At the time of its inauguration, the building had rooms for at least 40 market stalls, and the old exchange was surrounded by water from three sides. But now, the Copenhagen Stock Exchange served as Denmark's official market for securities. The Copenhagen Stock Exchange became a limited company in 1996 and lists share, fixed income instruments and derivatives. The exchange uses electronic ordering system to facilitate efficient order matching. The Copenhagen Stock Exchange is a member of OMX Exchange Group, which is now a part of Nasdaq and is made up of Copenhagen, Stockholm, Helsinki, Iceland exchanges. The Copenhagen Stock Exchange manages the C20, which is a stock index controlling 20 of the exchange blue chip companies. Investors can buy or sell futures and options with this C20 index as the underlying asset. The Denmark's economy is amongst the most developed in the world. Denmark's economy performs notably well in administrative efficiency. Open market policies sustain flexibility, competitiveness, and large trade and investment flow. And the transparent and efficient regulatory and legal environment encourages robust entrepreneurial activity. Banking regulations are sensible, lending practices are prudent. Parent company of Nasdaq states that it is the creator of the world's first economic stock market. Its technology powers more than 90 marketplaces in 50 countries. And now the it is known as Nasdaq Copenhagen. Nasdaq Copenhagen is one of the Nasdaq Nordic exchanges. Nasdaq Nordic goes back to 2003 merger of OMAB and HEX PLC to form OMX, and since February 2008 it is part of Nasdaq. Nasdaq is an American multinational financial service corporation that owns and operates the Nasdaq Stock Exchange market and 8 European stock exchange market, including the American Stock Exchange, Copenhagen Stock Exchange, Helsinki Stock Exchange, Iceland Stock Exchange, and Riga Stock Exchange. And then through Nasdaq Copenhagen, that provides us the marketplace for Danish securities, including shares, bond, T-bills, notes, financial futures, and options. Financial futures are contracts which is a standardized legal agreement to buy or sell anything at a predetermined price at a specified time in the futures. An option in finance, option is a contract which gives the buyer the right but not the obligation. The buyer is not obliged, but he has the right to buy or sell any underlying asset or instrument. The exchange was converted into a limited company in 1996 with share capital issued in the ratio of 60-20-20. The 60% was given to the members, 20 was given to the issuers of shares, and the 20 was given to the issuers of bonds. In 1997, the Futop Clearing Center AS is the spring-traded Danish derivative market that merged with Copenhagen Stock Exchange in 1997, becoming a wholly owned subsidiary of the exchange. In 2003, Copenhagen Stock Exchange merged with OMS exchanges, and the Danish derivative market became a wholly owned subsidiary. Futop issues, clears, and guarantees future and options on shares, indices, interest rate products. Futop products can be traded electronically. In 1998, the Copenhagen Stock Exchange and the Stockholm Börsen Nasdaq Stockholm Börsen is formerly known as Stockholm Stock Exchange, which is Sweden's stock exchange. Is a stock exchange located in it is located in Frihamnen, which is in Sweden. It was founded in 1863 and it has become the primary security exchange of Nordic countries. It is one of the important stock exchange of the Nordic countries, which was formed from the Norex alliance. The Copenhagen Stock Exchange in 1997 and Stockholm Stock Exchange initiated formalized cooperation through Norex, which is the purpose of establishing a joint Nordic security market. Now talking about the Nordic markets, which is now Nasdaq Nordic. Nasdaq Nordic is common name for the subsidiaries of Nasdaq. As I have told earlier, Nasdaq is an American multinational finance services that owns and operates Nasdaq stock market, 8 European stock exchange market, including American stock exchange, Copenhagen stock exchange, Helsinki stock exchange, Iceland stock exchange, and Riga stock exchange that provide financial services. Mainly, I'm talking about Nasdaq Nordic. Nasdaq Nordic provide financial service and operate marketplaces for securities in the Nordic region, Baltic region, and Caucasian regions of the Europe. The Caucasian region is a region between Black Sea and Caspian Sea, and the Nordic countries or the Nordics are the geographical and cultural region in northern Europe and the North Atlantic, where they are most commonly known as Norden. And the Baltic states are known as Baltic countries, Baltic republics, or simply Baltics is a geographical term typically used to group the three sovereign states in northern Europe on the east coast of Baltic: Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. And now the major companies, the major 10 companies which are part of the Copenhagen Stock Exchange are Carlsberg A, which is consumer goods company. Carlsberg B, this is also a part of consumer goods, and CHR Hansen Holding, which is healthcare, and now Coloplast B, which also operates in healthcare. Danske Bank, which operates in financial sector, and the DSV, FLS Smiths, G4S PLC, Genmab, they all are expert in industrial, and Genmab and GN Store Nord are part of the healthcare industry. The market cap for the Nasdaq Copenhagen is 206 billion euros, which is directed by Bon Sibon. That's all. That's all about Nord Nasdaq Copenhagen, which was known as Copenhagen Stock Exchange. Thank you so much, sir.